Débora escreveu no Facebook: muito bom os filmes desse cara. Ele merece. O Telecine levou o comentário para o diretor Brad Bird e ele respondeu:
Thank you, Deborah, for your very nice compliment. I don't know if I deserve it, but I hope you'll continue to come and see my films. They won't always be animated, but they're big, and I think they're fun. So please keep coming to the cinema, Deborah. We need more moviegoers like you.
Telecine, levando os maiores astros do cinema até você.